Video guys, I'm going to show you tips and tricks about Vivo Y20 which can help you in the long run. Okay guys, now the first one is that I'm going to show you how to get the battery percentage at the top corner. So now you can see guys, there's no any battery percentage shown. So here's how we are gonna get it. First guys, go to settings, then guys look for battery. Here you can see battery, currently it's 68%. Then scroll down. Here guys you can see there's an option battery percentage display mode, so tap on that. There are three options guys. We want to display our battery icon, so we need to choose between these two. One says that outside the battery icon, other one is inside the battery icon, so I'm going to select outside the battery icon. Let's check. So guys, you can see that it says 68%. Okay guys, now the second one that I'm going to show you is how to get the OTG enabled. So for that guys, go to settings, and guys you can see here other networks and connections, so tap on that. Here by toggling this you can enable the OTG support. Yeah, now OTG is enabled. Now let's see it's actually working or not. Here's my OTG converter, and here's my USB flash drive, so I'm going to connect it. Okay guys, you can see it's connected. Let's go to files and check whether it's working or not. Here guys you can see this is the internal storage, and this is the mass storage. You can see there's this USB logo, so let me show you it again. Now I am going to unplug the USB flash drive, so it says USB was ejected. Now I am going to plug it again. Here you can see. Okay guys, here USB is now available, so I'm going to unplug it guys. You can see it again. So that is how we are going to enable OTG guys. Okay guys, third one is how to enable dual app, or in Vivo it's app clone. So let me show you how to enable it. So you can use different social media accounts. Guys, go to settings, and you must search for application manager. Let me show you. Here guys, you need to search for application and permissions, and here guys you need to go to app clone. And guys, if you enable this option here, if you toggle this, then it will install guys another copy of the social media app that you are using. Actually its support is limited. In this phone I have only installed WhatsApp, and if you have installed Facebook, it supports Facebook also and Instagram too, so you can manage your multiple social media accounts. Okay guys, the fourth one is how to enable gesture navigation. For that guys, again go to settings, and here guys you need to go to system navigation. You can see here system navigation. Now currently it's set to navigation keys. You need to select navigation gestures. Selecting navigation gestures, there are some instructions. So you let me show you guys. Actually, let me show you. If you swipe this side, it go to back, and actually it can be done from this side too. If you swipe this side, it go back, and if you partially swipe up, then it's bring the recent app menu. It's like iOS. And guys, show you, and again I'm going to settings, and you are going to swipe up like this, then it will go to home. Wait, let me show you. You are going to swipe up like this, and it's gonna take us to home. So you guys can see there's no any virtual button shown below, so now it's completely gesture navigation, guys. Okay guys, fifth one is how to enable app lock. So for that also, guys, go to settings and then go to privacy, guys. Here there is a option say privacy and app encryption. Just tap on that. Now it say you to enter your privacy password, so enter whatever password you like. So I'm going to enter a password, and you need to verify the password, and it's ask for yours. This is your primary school, and it's basically asking some security questions that you know. So it's basically security questions, guys. Give any name you want, and wait a minute, guys. Okay guys, after you finish typing, just tap on done. Okay guys, now go to app encryption. Here you can select whatever app you want to be locked. So for an example, guys, let me show you. That's the calculator. Okay, hey guys, let me show you the calculator. Now it's locked. Okay guys, wait, let me show you. Hey guys, here's the calculator, and it's a enter your privacy password. So like that, guys, you can protect your sensitive information. Even though your device is unlocked, nobody can go through your apps and check what is in there. So I think that's a useful feature. Okay guys, and the sixth one is how to take a screenshot with 3 fingers swiping down. So let me show you, guys. First go to settings, and now you need to go to wait a minute, guys. Now you need to go to, guys, shortcuts and accessibility. Okay, now guys, in here you can see the first one is capture. Tap on that, guys. Here now you can see that they have shown a small animation. Here, guys, first option, you can see that slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So toggle on that. Okay, let's see, guys, whether it's working. Here, okay guys, yeah, you can see you can take screenshot with 3 fingers swiping down, guys. And guys, the 7th one is how to use split screen. Let me show you how to enable it, guys. And again go to settings, guys, then go to shortcut and accessibility. In here, guys, go to the second option, smart split. Here you can see, guys, there's option manual screen split. So guys, just tap on that. In here guys, you need to slide up with 3 fingers to split the screen. So first we need to enable it. Okay, now it's enabled. Let me show you guys. Okay, now let me show you. Use your 3 fingers and slide up. So this is how guys you are going to split the screen. So you can use 2 apps simultaneously. Okay guys, the 8th one is smart motion. So let me show you how to enable it. Actually, smart motion means it's a bunch of options. So let me show you what are the options. Again guys, go to shortcut and accessibility and go to third option guys, smart motion. Here guys, smart motion, you can turn on or off your screen. Fourth one, double tap to turn off the screen. Okay, let's give it a try. Double tap to turn off the screen. Yeah, screen went off. And guys, double tap to wake it up. So you can double tap and you can use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. And guys, number 9 is smart tap. Actually it enable your functions. Let me show you. For that also guys, go to settings. Again go to shortcut and accessibility. Over here, sorry guys, you need to go over here. Here guys, the smart tap. And here guys, you can enable a app, or you can open Facebook, you can open camera, you can record audio, you can turn on or off the torch. So I'm going to select this one guys. And smart tap means guys, you need to hold the volume down button for a 2 or 3 seconds. So let's give it a try. I'm going to press the volume down button. Yeah, you can see guys, the flashlight is turned on. If you want to open a specific app, yeah guys, you can select an app, specific app that you would like to open. Then you need to hold the volume down button, then it will open it guys. Tip number 10, how to enable dark mode guys. Let me show you. Just go here, pull down your notification, then notification bar with your easy toggles, and here guys, you need to toggle on this. It says dark mode, so your whole UI changed to dark guys. Let me show you by going to settings. Here, if you are using your device to read a lot, there is an option called guys bedtime mode. Let me show you. Just swipe down and here guys, find this option, says bedtime mode, and enable it. You can see that colors went like grayish. The whole device like a paper guys. If you like to game on this device, Vivo have give an option for that also. Let me show you. There is a mode guys called ultra gaming mode here. Okay, now it's enabled, and let's play Asphalt 9. As you can see that here your GPU, CPU optimized, RAM optimized, touch, network, thermal management policy enabled. Okay guys, if you need to, you just confirm. By enabling these features guys, you can have a good user experience with your device. So hope it's helpful guys, and if you like this video, press that like button and please get subscribed. And if you like this video, share with your friends. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.